Hello friends, welcome to Foodtastic. Now we are going to make cheese corn balls recipe. For this, I have taken half cup of cooked sweet corn kernel. With this, add quarter cup of mozzarella cheese, 2 tablespoons of chopped capsicum, quarter cup of chopped coriander leaves, half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of pepper powder, then add 2 cooked and mashed potatoes. Now mix it well. With this, add 1 teaspoon of corn flour. The purpose of adding corn flour is, it won't let the balls breaking while deep fry. Now grease the hand, and make small balls. Take a bowl, add 2 tablespoons of maida flour. Add little water. Mix it, and make it as thin batter. Take some breadcrumbs in a plate. Now dip the balls into maida batter, and roll it in the breadcrumbs. Now deep fry in oil around 1 minute. Now the cheese corn balls are ready. Please try this at your home. Subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watch.